Yo, so I finally came back from the dealership after the recall, and it's time to upgrade this one. I don't know if you guys can see, look, it's already kind of fading away, but yeah, it's time to upgrade this to carbon fiber. Let's get it, let's go.
So your next step is to disconnect the battery. You're also going to wait 20 minutes.
Now look at this beauty. Now let's go put it on. All right, so we're gonna be taking off the steering wheel today. I guess I'm gonna be upgrading it. It's literally right there. But so what you gotta do is get a flathead and you're gonna stick it in this little hole right here. It's kind of sketchy, I'm not gonna lie. Like, you're gonna have to actually put some pressure in there just to pop it out. And I'm about to do this side to knock this out. So let me go ahead and try that out and I'll be right back. So yeah, I ended up getting it. See, there you go. Now let me go ahead and unplug all this and let me be careful before anything happens.
So what you're going to do is disconnect this yellow clip that you see right here.
All right, once you take out the whole bag situation, put it somewhere safe. And then I believe this is a T20, T10. You're gonna take all this out and then just bring everything over here. Let's go.
Take your Allen wrench and insert it into the steering wheel bolt and grab your pipe. Put that on the end of the Allen wrench and use brute force to break that bolt loose. Remember, lefty loosey. Next step is to remove this brown connector by pinching the top and bottom and pulling it out. And install it on your new steering wheel. This way all your button controls will work properly. The contact plate is highlighted in red, as you can see here on the video. You will need to remove a brown wire using a Phillips head screwdriver, and then you need to remove 3 screws that require a torque screwdriver. Once the contact plate is removed, just install it on your new steering wheel.
All right, so basically once you take it off, it's basically plug and play. So this is how it looks. Look at that. Now let's put it back on. So see, this is how it looks when it's off. But I do recommend when you're taking off this bolt right here, have a breaker bar, because I actually needed it. Yeah, let's go ahead and put this all back. Let's go. So that's how it looks so far. Very nice, very nice. Chill. There you go. Go ahead and tighten it up. Put this one back. Then you get the airbag and connect it right here. Just push it back. You'll be good to go. And let's go see how it looks done. All that said and done, I don't know if you guys can see the Apple CarPlay, but all said and done, this is how it looks. Yes, it looks beautiful in the sun. Well, let's get a quick reverse so you guys can probably get a little bit more. All right, guys, hope you guys like it. See you guys in the next video.